Hey guys, sorry I'm not here today. It's a little introduction into what I would like you to get done in class. You'll need to go into the course in Schoology, and you'll see if you go to your calendar, you'll see a couple of things in today's assignment. Obviously, you've already gotten there because you're watching this video. The main thing you want to do is open this Friday Subplans Dennis's decision. And there's two things to do in here. The first is to open the decision, which is a PDF, and it looks like this. And you'll read this, and it's about a real life case study of a person who was trying to make a decision related to some of his healthcare. And you need to read the background to understand it. But the hospital he was at had to convene a group of an ethics panel to make a decision about what to do because they weren't sure that they wanted to fully respect his wishes in this case. It was complicated. You'll see. Um, And then while you're doing that, you're going to take some notes. So the second document on Schoology there is the notes sheet. Those notes you'll be taking in your notebook. So if you want to get that set up ahead of time, you can before you read it and take the notes while you read it, or you can read it first and then take the notes after. But I've given you the ethical question, the should Dennis be able to. You need to write down some legal and medical facts that are important to the case. And I want you to try to restrict yourself in this case to just the legal and medical facts. Just what do we know? Um, and then questions. And the questions you can write can be about facts that maybe are not talked about in the reading. That's things you'd like to know. But they also could be questions you have maybe about the feelings involved or more of the subjective side of it. But questions you have, you need at least three good questions that are different from each other in this section. And then this part's called the stakeholders. You really only need to fill out this section. Don't try to do the bioethical principles. We'll come back to this on Monday after we finish that part. I'm not there in class today, so we're going to have to wait to finish that. But here I want you to write down what their concerns are, what their decision is, what they would like to do. And why. What are they valuing in that decision? So get that done. I will be grading this. This is an assessment, so I will be grading this out of your notebook, and I hope everybody has a great weekend. Thank you.